people, come with me to Concord Waterfall in Grenada. Yeah, in here.
Not powder.
Oh,
so that's why when I go to the market, because you know, I want my loose teas and stuff like that, because I haven't really experienced.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Naylene23. We are here at Concord Waterfall in Grenada. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Everywhere I go, I get a good video.
That
First time coming Grenada?
Yeah,
from
Jamaica.
Jamaica. Oh, good.
Thank you. Alright. I'm Kelly. Huh? Oh, that's nice to meet somebody down here? Hello, how are you? Of course. Hold on, we gotta get a video. I have downstairs. You ready for you? You ready? We'll start killing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're here in Grenada and we're at the Concord Waterfall. It's really gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. That water is cold! Woo! It feels good though! Woo! Water cool! Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the video. But yeah, Grenada 2024 Concord Waterfall. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
stuff, do it. I'll put bracelet and stuff. Don't you guys take away.
Alright.
So in the purple shop.
Okay, yeah man, no problem. Thanks, Lord. Alright then. Alright, thanks Travis. Yeah, now come look on the jewelry then. It's so cool. Alright. One, the vanilla. Is it, how much of the vanilla again?
This one is 18, this one is 25.
Oh yeah, see
Give me the $18 one.
Okay.
And then more on the cocoa.
And then
Cocoa gold.
and that's yours.
Yeah, thank you.
Smell this.
Alright, yeah, I need
That's
that.
extra.
It's good.
How do you use it? How do you do?
You put it in hot water and let it melt, and you mix it. You could put condensed milk or to sweeten it, or you put cinnamon and bay leaf to like season it, flavor it.
How much is this one?
Like this smelling bag.
Oh, that's
and that's it here.
Oh,
So it's
okay.
$10 each. So the rubber US like this.
Yeah.
33 US.
All that stuff there. I want it dry.
Dry.
Yeah, like I don't want it powdered.
Oh,
So that's why when I go to the market, because you know I want my loose teas and
Yeah.
stuff like that. Because I haven't really experienced like cooking and doing all that stuff with the stuff.
So they have soursop leaf. That's,
Oh yeah,
that's
for
good
the
for tea. Yeah.
How much is the soursop leaf?
$6 it is.
Oh yeah, 26, right?
Yeah. You see this? You can work out. I think it's usually every morning.
Every morning.
No, it's like 2 leaves.
Yeah, just 2 leaves.
2 leaves, you put the
How
water.
much water? Like 8 ounce water?
Maybe a cup like this.
Okay.
Water, and you put it in and cover it up.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir. Sandy.
Sunday, okay.
As a sandy beach.
Okay. When you guys come to Grenada to visit Concord Waterfall,
Let me see this one.
Sunday is the man
Let me see this one.
to come visit and get your spices, your bay leaf,
This one is
your
good.
cocoa,
That'll be
your
26.
But I'll be
vanilla,
able to give you 5
chocolate.
and then... This is so nice.
Hi, man. I know I'm here come.
Alright, we
I
come
come
back.
at Wait a minute, oh, go on.
So this is your shop here?
What's your name again? Travis.
Why you didn't tell us that you had a shop too?
Him tell
You was gonna
me.
let it just go away?
Him tell me.
Ah.
But only left before me and the rain. So we have Travis here. This is his store.
He's the jumper.
He has some beautiful fine jewelry here. Oh really? Wow. Okay. Nice.
Energy stones as well.
How much is this right here?
This and
So for these two sets right here, it's 20 US? We'll go back.
Travis, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.